my name is Kylee Newman, and today I'm going to be showing you a little helpful tool called BetterCanvas and how to get it set up on your computer. So first you're going to open a tab, and just go ahead and type in the words BetterCanvas smashed together. You're going to be presented with two options here. Now your first option is this link right here. This link is for our students who use Google Chrome or Firefox. You have the two options right here. If you go ahead right up here and click download now and ignore all of the ads. Once you scroll down, you'll see that you have the download for Google Chrome and the download for Firefox. If you do not have these options, don't worry, there is something for you. But if you do, you're gonna want to go ahead and click one of these. And this option right here will say get. For our Firefox, it is the same thing. You'll go ahead and click it. It'll look just like this. And instead of remove, it will say get. You're going to want to click the get button. For our Microsoft Edge computers, however, you're going to want to scroll down just a little bit, and it'll say BetterCanvas Microsoft Edge add-ons somewhere in these searches. Go ahead and click that. And you can see here it says get right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. For all three, it's going to say add extension. I'm going to have to go ahead and hit add. And then wait for this to load, and it will say view extension. So if you'll notice, right in the top, very edge of your search bar, there is a puzzle piece. This puzzle piece is going to house your extension. When you click on it, you'll get to this screen. You can click BetterCanvas, and this is what it will look like. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to go over to dashboard and show everybody how it works. Okay, so now that I'm in dashboard, you'll notice there's already a few changes. There's this pop-up right here that allows us to see a sidebar, a to-do list, and a search bar. You can see that the to-do list is turned on, which is what's over here right now. We're going to go ahead and close out of that. Go up to our puzzle piece right up here. Click on BetterCanvas, and you can see all of these items. So here we have a dark mode, a light mode. That's for your personal preference. Same with card colors, themes, fonts, GPA settings. All of this is for your personal preference. But what is most important, in my opinion, is that there is a to-do list that you can customize to look in your specific way. And there is a GPA calculator that can estimate what your GPA looks like with the current grades that you have. This isn't official, so don't think that it's official, but it helps estimate what your GPA might look like. And this is right here. And there are many additional personalized tabs that you can create to set up your specific needs. So for me, I personally like this circle to-do list. I like to see the circle complete. And then if you scroll down, you can see here on the sides, it tells you what exactly is due. In addition to this, you can go and look at your card list already and see that all of these assignments are popping up. All of these assignments are showing for the next week. So it's much easier to tell exactly what you have coming up, what is past due, what is most important, and it's quick and easy to be able to go to an assignment like this one and cross it off your list.